I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to the pool. So as you can see, I just got up and got ready for the day, put a little bit of sunscreen on and some BB cream. And I wanted to show you guys something new that I'm going to be trying. I just went yesterday with a friend to play with some Mary Kay skincare and makeup. And I ended up walking away purchasing this. This is the Revealing Radiance Facial Peel. I'm pretty sure this is like a glycolic peel, so you apply this all over your face for like 10 minutes and then you wash it off, but it cleans like the deeper layers of your skin instead of just the surface. So yeah, it made my skin feel really good. I'm excited to have this. This will last a long time. It's not super cheap. I'm not one to spend a lot of money on skincare usually, but I went ahead and splurged on this, so yeah. And then I posted this on my Instagram for any of you who follow me there, but I thought this was really cute. This was my little goodie bag that I got with a free mascara and a perfume, and it just says Wing It, Life, eyeliner, everything. So I thought that was really cute. So yeah, later today we're meeting friends at the pool, and I just have to get a few things done around the house. I went ahead and trimmed Blake's hair. I had cut my other boy's hair a couple weeks ago, but Blake's I just trimmed like the side around his ears, but he needed like his side shaved today, so I went ahead and did that, got that out of the way, and now I'm just gonna clean up a little bit upstairs, so come with me.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Okay, so I finally got all the chores done that I needed to get done this morning. Thank goodness. I have not been in the cleaning mood at all this summer, but I did dust like the shutters and I vacuumed upstairs. Just a couple things that I've noticed every time I go up and down the stairs, the shutters were all yucky. So I got that done, did a little laundry, finished, folded that, put that away. One thing I wanted to just mention briefly when I was getting ready this morning, I don't know if you guys saw or could tell, but I used something different for my hair, put in my hair instead of dry shampoo. I was watching YouTube in bed this morning and I watched a video. Her name's, I don't know what her YouTube channel name is. If I can find it or remember, I'll link it below, but Health Nut, maybe something like that. She was just talking about like how dry shampoo is so damaging for your hair, how it can cause hair loss, breakage, especially like up in this area. And I've been noticing, I mean, I got some blonde put in a month ago or so, but in any case, my hair's been real dry, brittle, especially around this area, and it just got me thinking how bad dry shampoo is for your hair, just because it clogs your follicles and stuff like that and whatever. So I remember a long time ago I used I found something on Pinterest or something, I don't know, I was searching somewhere, and I found that you can use like cocoa powder. And actually cocoa has magnesium in it. It's a mineral that actually promotes hair growth. So I ran downstairs and filled up a little Tupperware container of cocoa powder, and it was such a mess. Like, I put it in my hand and it went all over the place. But that's what I used in my hair this morning instead of dry shampoo. So I'm going to start using that and just see if my hair gets any better. So we'll find out. Yeah. Just wanted to share that with you guys.
Crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.
Okay, so I'm just going to show you what I have in our bag here. I've got this wet bag that I got at Walmart for about $5, and in here I've just got some body spray, all the kids' snacks. Where we're going, they don't care if we take food in, which is really nice. So I'm bringing our lunch with us. They have a little picnic area there. I've got chips for us, or sandwiches in here with a little cooling pack, and then I've got all of our sunscreen, and we'll just bring our towels on the side. And that's it. We are ready to go. I'm also taking a couple cold water bottles. This one's half drinking. Along with my Dutch Bros Hydro Flask. Forgot what that was called. And then I just put a little slice of lemon in there. Nothing like ice cold lemon water during the summer when it's super hot out. So I'm taking that with as well. Okay, we're on our way to the water park. Actually, the pool, not the water park. Woo! With some friends.
Hello guys! Hi! The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
Tonight we are having chicken Alfredo. I'm just sauteing the chicken in Italian seasoning and olive oil. This is the Alfredo sauce we're using. Good morning, it's the next day, and today we are actually headed to the water park with some friends from work. So we're going to pick up one of Stetson's friends, and then we are headed to Dunkin' Donuts because today is National Donut Day. So yeah, we will be there to get a free donut.
Hi, my name's Blake. Remember me?
I'm actually gonna get a medium iced coffee with hazelnut.
Where's Gamora? No, she's not. Because back in that time, he snapped.
Yeah.
That was when Gamora was.
And then I wanted to get two glazed blueberry donuts. We'll do one more blueberry.
And just so you know, you actually get one more donut because it's National Donut Day. You get a free donut with every
Okay,
purchase
so
of
good.
whatever. What's the extra donut?
Okay, we'll do the glazed chocolate then.
So the white chocolate to go with that?
Yeah. And then can I get 4 waters, please?
Guys are Iron Man and Spider-Man. It's like Marvel Truth.
And that's it.
Spider-Man. Wait, ask
Alrighty.
the...
Let's go put in some.
Okay, thank you.
Did the kids get older?
Summer's calling. As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that
Alright guys, we're gonna end this vlog here. We are headed home. We swung by Sonic for some slushies. I got me some iced tea with lemon. I didn't get much footage at the water park because it was so busy. It was bring a friend free day, so it was packed. Got a little bit of clips of Blake playing, but as you can see, he's out. He had fun. Anyway, thanks for coming along with us. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's call.